I'm the weekend. And that's my story and I'm sticking to it. What was that? Hello, my beautiful human beings. Welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, hello, my name is Brooke. I post makeup videos because that's just my thing. I like makeup and I like beating my face. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, feel free because I would totally love that. And you can join the squad we got here on YouTube. But for today's video, I wanted to recreate this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look, and I want to keep my intro relatively short today. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so see this spot right here? That's hair color, and I don't have color remover at my house, so I don't know why I felt the need to tell you guys that, but I did, so there's that. Getting that out of the way. I will be going into my soft Glam palette. This is going to be one of the two palettes that I'm using for today's makeup look. I'm going to go in with a little bit of burnt orange as my transition shade. And then once there is little to no product left on the brush, I'm just slightly bringing it out and winging this out a little bit. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade Rustic, and I'm going to be working this through my crease and slightly onto the outer corner. Now I will be picking up the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm going to be working this into my outer corner, bringing that slightly onto the lid. In this look, Kylie has a more neutral brown shade, almost about halfway onto her lid. So I'm just going to work this onto the lid until I'm happy with the pigmentation. Also in this look, it looks like it's darker along the lash line and lighter as it goes up into the crease. So I'm going to focus on keeping most of this depth on that lash line, but slightly blending it up so that it blends nicely up into that crease area. Now I will be dipping into my Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay, and I will be picking up the shade Goldmine, and I will start to focus this onto my inner corner to build up that golden yellow shade. Now going back into my soft Glam palette, I'm going to pick up a little bit of that shade Fairy, and I'm going to be focusing this on the very inner corner of my eye just to slightly brighten it up and highlight that area. I will also put a little bit of this onto my brow bone, once again just to highlight. Mascara today, I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This has become, once again, one of my new favorites. I just find myself reaching for this every day, and I've been loving it lately. And then for lashes, I will be using my Azerdo Cosmetics lashes in the style Doll. So now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to finish off the lower lash line. So Kylie did not have any liner, it looks like, on her eyes, but it does look like she had a little bit of shadow on that lower lash line to add some definition, but for the most part it was kept open. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that shade Rustic and blend that onto my lower lash line. And then just bringing this up to connect it with this upper waterline up here to create more of that angled shape. Alright, so now I'm going to put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. Alright, and to finish off the lips, I will be going in with my Sephora lipstick in the shade G20. I'm going to go over it with my Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Toffee. Alright, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I just absolutely love this look. When I saw Kylie posted this, I was like, ooh girl, I gotta repost that. No, I have to recreate that. So if you guys like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And also, if you want to, feel free to subscribe to my channel and leave some comments down below letting me know what kinds of videos or looks you would like to see from me in the future. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.